In this video, we are going to do first time printer setup of HP DeskJet 2600 printer. This video is for HP DeskJet 2620, 2621, all these printer models which is available on the screen as you can see. So step will be same, instruction will be same, which I am going to show you in this video. So please follow the same to complete your printer setup for the first time. To set up your printer for the first time, remove all package materials, connect the power cord, install the ink cartridges and then load paper in the input tray. If you are looking for the printer software, then you need to visit on this website, which is the official website of HP, 123.hp.com. So here we will complete the setup stepwise. So first step will be remove the printer from the box and then remove all tape, stickers and package materials from the printer. First step, remove the printer from the box. Second, remove all tape and package material from the outside of the printer. And third, lower the output tray each inside the printer and then grab the handle and lower the ink cartridge access door to open it. You can see in this image arrows indicating the same, so you just need to open it. And now remove all tape and package material from the inside of the printer. As you can see here, you need to remove it and then make sure you removed all hardware and material from the box before discarding or recycling the box and package material. Now let's move to the second step, which is connect the power cord. Plug the printer into a power source to turn on the printer. Here is an important note that don't connect a USB cable at this time. The connection to the computer is established during the software installation. Right? So first step will be connect the power card to the rear of the printer. As you can see in this image here, you need to check back side of the printer and here you need to insert the power cord and then plug in the other end of the power cord into an electrical outlet. Second step will be press the power button to turn on the printer and the carriage moves to the center of the printer. And last step, wait until the printer is idle and silent before you continue. Let's move to the third step of this video, which is install the ink cartridges. So you need to install HP ink cartridges that shipped in the box with your printer. First, remove one of the ink cartridge from its package. Be careful to only touch the black plastic on the ink cartridge. Remove the plastic tape. You need to remove it. Here is an important note that don't touch the copper colored contacts on the ink nozzles. As you can see in this image, you don't need to touch it. Don't replace the protective tape on the contacts. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure and bad electrical connection because it's established the electrical connection between ink cartridge and printer, so you don't need to touch it. Now third step will be hold the ink cartridge by its side with the contacts toward the printer. Insert the ink cartridge into its slot and then gently push the ink cartridge until it snaps into the place. Important note, install the colored ink cartridge on the left and the black ink cartridge in the right. As you can see in this image here, you need to follow the same instruction. Now fourth step will be repeat these steps to install the other ink cartridge. So you need to repeat third step again for installation of both cartridges. And finally close the ink cartridge access door and then close the output tray. You need to close it, right? Now let's move to the fourth step of this video, which is load paper in the input tray. Load plain US letter or A4 paper in the input tray after you install the ink cartridge. First step will be raise the input tray from here as arrows indicating in this image and then slide the paper with guide all the way to the left. You need to slide it so that paper could be fit in the tray. Now third step will be load a stack of plain white paper into the input tray. You need to load the paper here. As you can see, it is paper and its input tray, and slide the paper with guide to the right until it rests at the edge of the paper. As you can see here, you need to slide it right. Now last step in this topic, as lower the output tray and then pull out the tray extender. So you can follow the same instruction as arrows indicating here in this image. Okay, so in above 4 steps we have completed our hardware setup of the printer first time after unboxing the printer. Now we need to complete this setup through printer software. So you need to install printer software in fifth step. Your HP printer hardware is now set up and you can install the printer software. Don't attempt the connect to the printer to a computer until instructed to do so in the printing software. So download the latest version of the printing software from the following HP website, as you can see on the image, as I have shared with you earlier in this video. So you need to visit on this website. Here is the important note that for print quality purpose, the printer prints an alignment page. After 5 pages are printed, follow the instruction on the alignment page to complete the ink cartridge alignment. So I hope this video was helpful to you to complete your printer setup first time. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer setup, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.